Hello guys, it's been a while and I'm back and I'll be doing tutorials again now for the unforeseeable future. I've had a lot going on lately, so I haven't got around to making much music, but I'm back and the inspiration's there. The only thing is, at the minute I've got a little bit of COVID, so that's a little bit gnarly. Feeling a bit rubbish and my voice isn't great, but I'm going to try my best for you today. Obviously recently you've probably seen that KOALA app has had some updates. I'm really impressed with them myself, and the thing about KOALA app for me was I always seen it as one of these apps which was great for making like lo-fi hip hop beats and not much else, but it's really changed my mind as I've been diving into it. I am going to continue to do me Drambo tutorials, but for today, for old time's sake, coming back after a while, I'm just going to give you a little tip, and it's going to be how to create a pad on KOALA. If there's something that I've struggled with on KOALA, it's getting sounds. I don't really like the factory sounds. I do like them, they're just not out there enough for me. So I've been making some with my own voice. You can literally say anything for this trick to work. Some of you might know it, some of you might not. You're going to need a tuner as well. Now I know KOALA app has got a tuner built in now, but I use this tuner here. Why? I don't know. It's just I've always had it, so let's get into it. So I've got a sample loaded in KOALA app. I'll play it now for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pardon me. Yeah, so we just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raspy voice. Right, so let's make the screen bigger. I'm going to head over to edit. We're going to click loop. I'm going to drag this down. It can be anywhere really, as long as there's a bit of action going on in the sample. So we'll start about here. See how it just loops over and over. So we move that closer together. As we bring it forward, it becomes like it goes into the audio range and becomes a sound. So we've got a bleep. Right, what we're going to do, just going to make this smaller for now. I'm going to bring the tuner in. Sometimes this tuner takes a little bit of a while to rev up. You just press on this. Now I'm going to head to C. Just keep playing with that pitch knob. You're so close there. There we go. What I will say with the KOALA app, the pitch knob, normally done by semitones. You can go to the settings and disable that, so the pitch knob is free and it moves in little micro, like sort of frequencies, so you can get it tuned properly. So now we've got C. We can get rid of our tuner, and then we can go to sequence. I'm going to choose that, and for now we're just going to put it in chromatic, because we're going to check these. That should be a C, that should be a C, and that should be a C. Bring the tuner back in actually. So no, let's try them. Obviously you can see on the right here, it's very slightly out, but if you messed around with that knob enough, you'd get there in the end, but it's not out enough to be dramatic. Try this. See? 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 So now, you can pick your scale. So I'm going to go minor. Just take that volume up a little bit. There we go. Right, so this is where you can get fun. Head back over to your sample. Now you don't get a very long attack time or release time, but just boost them right up. Now if I play that, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that sounds brilliant. Don't know what happened to my iPad then. And then obviously from there you can go, we don't need this tuner now, we can get rid of it. We know what key we're playing in, etc. Maybe throw like a massive reverb on it, use Cascade. We could maybe go over to our, we could send this actually to bus A, mixer, filter, bit of an LFO, speed down, then we got a big reverb, then we can play away. And from that sample that we had, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we've got this. I don't really think you can moan at that. So that's all I'm going to be doing for today. Cheers guys, and see you in the next video.